Hello everyone, I'm Sachula. And next, let me introduce about the multiple linkages model and cognitive resources theory of the leadership. And multiple linkages model states that successful performance of a team depends on several intermediary variables or linkages. Therefore, when we're measuring leadership effectiveness, needs to consider this complex network of the multiple linkages. So uh, it for quickly understand of this page, let us image we are a company. And firstly, in a company, professional knowledge of leader is not enough for teams to achieve their goals, right? So we need some structure to successfully achieve the company goals. And next, let's understand the mediary variables. And firstly, we need to ensure every team member knows their tasks. For example, in a group or in a company, who will be launch the rocket and who will be clean the table, right? And the next is a task skill. In each company, we don't want engineer using hammers to fix company, right? So we must ensure they have right tools and knowledges. And how can we understand the work organization? And we should know that clear about what work to do at what stage is very important, right? And cohesion and cooperation, like gluing every individual in the team together. And the resource and support service are our logistics. For example, we cannot do our assignment without coffee, right? So external coordination ensure our work stay in sync with the outside world. For example, to decide what product to make, we need to know customer and market demand firstly. But situational variable can sometimes disrepute our rhythm. Like these neutralizers could be certain competitors in the market. They are trying to prevent our leaders' behavior to be ineffective. So, about the substitute, it is can self-manage when the leader is not present, right? So all these will affect our team's overall work efficiency. And when winning of the game, like we like to play the computer game, right? Winning of the game is closely tied of these above variables, right? So by properly apply this multiple linkages model, not only traditional finance metric can be met, but also non-finance metric such as employee turnover, innovation, market share, and customer satisfaction. And next is the cognitive resource theory proposed by the Fred Fiedler at 1987. Explain how leaders utilize their cognitive resources to make decisions under different level of stress. This core of theory is roles of intelligence and experiences in the leadership process very depend on level of stress. According to the CRT, in a low stress and stable environment, the leader's intelligence is most important. In high pressure situation with uncertain and the need to repeat responses, a leader's experiences become more important. Imagine you are a leader guiding your team in develop a product. During the early stage of the project, then stress is low. You rely on your knowledge to plan the project. And this time, the intelligence plays a key role. You can analyze data and formulate plan easily. However, in a product launch data approaches, stress level is rise, and now you must draw upon your experiences, competence, and the task knowledge to guide them. Because in a high-pressure environment, too much information flows in and the complex decision need to be made quickly. So you need to make quick decision based on your past successful experiences is most effective. And this theory has a significant implication for leadership development. It tells us that developing leadership is not just about increasing knowledge or skills, but also about knowing when to use the right resources appropriately. And this demands that leadership training not only focus on enhancing intelligence and leaders and knowledge of leaders, but also emphasize the authority of practical experiences, right? And well, it's all for our present. Thank you for listening.